Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. Excellency para benefit of Excellency Thomas. Excellency Thomas Rasulullah is the principal of University of Confida. Excellency to all my friends, my family, and my parents. Today I would like to tell you about my presentation title is Honey Bee. Honey bee is the name given to some species of bee who have the ability to produce honey and beeswax. All of 20,000 species of bees in the world. There are only 7 species which belong to a group of the honeybee. They are insect and all of them belong to the genus Apis. One of the most famous being the honeybee is the western honey. There are 3 cases of the honeybee, and N of them has their own function. The first cases is the queen. The queen is a female honey, which the job is to lay an egg and to be the mother of the colony. There is one queen in one colony. If there are one colony, there must be one queen. If you catch the queen, the second and third cases will be destroyed. An exclusive food called royal jelly is what it was mixed of a female honeybee grow larger than older honeybee. The second is the workers. The workers are all is a female honeybee. They can consist as much as 60,000 bees in the one colony. Same as their duties are feeding the breed, collecting food, receiving the nectar, and cleaning the hive. And the third one, or third classes, is the drones. Drones are all is a male bee in one colony. The drone jobs is to fertilize the queen during the mating process, and after the fertilizing, the drones are died. So the job of the drones is to fertilize to the queen and then dead. Okay, that is that for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.